Dear buyers, metalworkers, engineers and builders, as well as everyone interested in equipment for bending rebar, wire, and steel rods. You are on the ElectroTorg channel, and today we will introduce you to our new model, a high-performance CNC Rebar bending machine. This machine will become a tireless assistant at your enterprise, ensuring up to 5 tons of processed steel assortment per shift. So if you are looking for a reliable solution for producing finished 2D products from rebar with a diameter ranging from 6 to 22 millimeters, this video will provide you with essential technical information about the machine. And at the end of the video, we will explain how you can quickly get this machine, as we already have a ready-to-use unit in stock. Leave your questions in the comments. We always read and prioritize answering them. And of course, subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with machine building innovations at ElectroTorg EMC. This CNC Rebar bending machine is designed to work with different types of rebar. Smooth rebar with a diameter from 6 to 22 millimeters. Ribbed rebar with a diameter from 6 to 20 millimeters. The machine operates very quickly and accurately. The rebar feeding speed reaches 1 meter per second, while the bending speed is up to 230 degrees per second. This significantly accelerates production processes, reduces time costs, and increases efficiency. Our model stands out with its unique capabilities. Thanks to the simultaneous operation of motors, it can produce involute-shaped arcs, ovals, and springs with different diameters at the beginning and end of the part. This makes the machine ideal for manufacturing complex parts of any two-dimensional shape. Another advantage is the high-strength tooling with a hardness of 55 to 59 HRC on the Rockwell scale. This ensures a long service life even when working with tough materials. Additionally, the machine supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing operation via a smartphone or tablet, using secure communication protocols. Imagine how convenient it is to fully control the production process from a mobile device. What is included in the package? A ready-to-use machine weighing 3,100 kilograms. A coil holder with a lifting capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms. 3 sets of tooling for working with different rebar diameters, including matrices, knives, rollers, punches, base plates, and more. Servo motors, INVT, 11 kilowatts, 1,500 revolutions per minute. INVT, 7.5 kilowatts, 1,500 revolutions per minute. A cutting unit with an asynchronous motor with a power of 5.5 kilowatts. Reliable gearboxes with cylindrical bevel gearbox from Tramec, Italy. Worm gear reducers, manufactured in Italy and China. A CNC unit with a 21-inch LCD display running on the Windows operating system. 2 rotating straightening and leveling blocks. Each roller can be adjusted separately in height. The use of hardened tool steel guarantees at least 1 year of daily operation. Metalwork pneumatic components ensure reliable pneumatic drive operation. The machine body is welded and coated with polyurethane paint for resistance to corrosion and mechanical damage. Another important aspect is the software. Our CNC machine supports a multilingual interface, including Ukrainian, English, Polish, Russian, German, and other languages. You can choose the most convenient programming method, a graphical interface with mouse control, perfect for beginners. Manual G-code programming, suitable for professionals used to handling complex tasks. Automatic G-code generation via a graphical simulator. Additionally, the machine supports importing DXF files, significantly simplifying work with drawings. We are confident in the quality of our products, which is why we provide an official warranty of 18 months. And if you have any questions about operation or maintenance, our team is always ready to provide professional consultation. As promised at the beginning of the video, let's talk about purchasing options. When ordering this machine for production, you have the option to customize the package, power capacity, paint color, and add additional features. If you need the machine urgently, you can immediately purchase the ready-to-use unit presented in this video. If you are interested in purchasing a two-dimensional rebar bending machine or need a detailed consultation, contact us right now. By ordering this machine, you get reliable equipment that ensures stable and efficient business operations. Thank you for watching this video to the end. We hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and comment with your questions. See you in the next videos on the ElectroTorg channel.